The team on the Amati Global Innovation Fund love attending industry trade events, as they offer an opportunity to talk directly with the engineers and the salespeople, rather than just hearing the standard messages from investor relations teams. And this year's defence show in London was no exception. Unsurprisingly, given the current geopolitics, the event was very well attended, with evidence of innovation everywhere you looked. In just the last 12 months, the number of drones, or UAVs, on display has risen exponentially, with a huge variety of aerial, maritime, and land-based autonomous vehicles under development, all racing to keep up with the remarkable developments that are happening daily in the Ukraine. Nowadays, drones are expanding away from the hugely expensive Predator and Reaper drones of the past and becoming cheaper and more plentiful. But this shift from large and expensive to small and cheap is evident in lots of other areas of defence spending. Highly capable, expensive, or exquisite, as they're known in the industry, items become immediate targets in a conflict, whether they're satellites, radar stations, or even ships and aircraft. Far better to have vast numbers of smaller, more agile pieces of equipment which can maintain their function even if half of them are destroyed. The talk is of system redundancy and flexibility, where sheer volume can overwhelm an enemy's ability to respond. Now, bringing down cost and weight means innovation in materials, manufacturing processes like automation and 3D printing, and improving security through things like software-defined communications. And all of this was in evidence at the show. We're very grateful to all of the advice and the information given freely by those involved, and particularly to the teams at L3 Harris, Moog, and Amphenol, where we continue to hold shares on the fund.